In this video, I'm going to reveal the easy 5-step formula to have $1,000 plus days with affiliate marketing, as you can see that I've been making on the screen right here. Now, I'm going to reveal my exact A to Z formula for easy high ticket sales. Even if you're brand new, you have no following, no experience, you're going to be able to walk away from this video knowing exactly what to do. You're going to learn the secret to finding high ticket products that pay $1,000 plus commission. So if you don't even know where to look, you're going to know exactly my best recommendations. And you're going to discover simple, free traffic methods to drive sales, even on autopilot. So if you love the idea of passive income, you're going to want to stick around, and much, much more. So stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Okay, so this is the formula right here, and I'm going to go step by simple step to understand the full process. So the very first process, the very first step is we need to choose a niche to focus on. A lot of people, when they go to do affiliate marketing, they're scattered, they're spread out, and this not only confuses them to stay consistent, but it also confuses your audience, the people that you're trying to sell to. So we want to choose one niche or topic and go all in with that niche, okay? So there's really 3 categories of niches I recommend you choose from to really make this simple. These are called evergreen niches, okay? This means that these 3, health, wealth, and relationships, are always going to be relevant, okay? Meaning people are always going to want to improve their health, they're always going to want to improve their wealth, and they're always going to want to improve their relationships. So if you go out there and start promoting, okay, inside of those niches, you're going to be able to make money for a very long time. Now, I don't recommend you just promote in health and wealth and relationships. Those are very big, okay? Those are almost like umbrella categories of different niches. We want to drill down and we want to pick sub niches, okay? Now, I have some examples here listed. Okay, these are definitely not all the examples. You can, choose the one that you actually enjoy. The great thing about this is you can really pick your passion, right? What are you passionate about? Are you passionate about health? Maybe you love the keto diet, okay? Well, you can start to focus on the keto niche. Do you love bodybuilding? Okay, maybe you love going to the gym, lifting weights, having your protein shakes, right? So you can start to focus on selling products inside of the bodybuilding, paleo diet, right, etc. Now with wealth, okay, some of the subcategories are making money with crypto, okay? Wealth can be, making money with digital marketing. So digital marketing is a very popular form of income generation nowadays, and you can go into that. Saving money, okay? So if you want to help people save money, maybe through couponing or through, cutting their expenses. Trading Forex, okay? So again, there's all these different subcategories of wealth, and then relationships. You can go into, seduction. If you like, helping men picking up women or dating, women, things like that. Having a better marriage, okay? So now maybe you have some expertise in these niches. Now you don't have to. And the great thing is I'm going to share with you how you can even do this faceless without showing your face, okay? So you don't have to actually show your face. But if you have some expertise, you can go into that. Maybe you're really social, and you want to help people improve their social life. So you can decide on whichever one you enjoy, and you can focus on that one niche.
Forgive this interruption, but I wanted to share I have a free A to Z affiliate marketing blueprint to take you from where you are to where you want to go as fast and as easy as possible. Just go to the link directly below and get access to that free blueprint while it's still available. Without further ado, let's continue with the training.
Now, step number 2 is we want to pick a high ticket product or program to promote in that niche. Okay, now this is all about high ticket affiliate marketing. The great thing is you don't need a lot of sales when you're promoting something that's high ticket. So if you are selling something that's $1,000, right, you only need 10 sales per month, okay, to get to 10K a month, right? So it makes it really simple. And so we want to pick a high ticket product or program inside of that niche. Again, if you're in the health niche, you want to pick something in there. Now, when you drill down, okay, so let's say it's paleo, then you're going to be able to really find that specific product a lot easier. So some places you can go are clickbank.com. This is an affiliate marketplace. You can go to jvzoo.com. It's another affiliate marketplace. JVZoo is more software. Okay, so if you're in the online business niche, you're in the make money online niche, JVZoo is going to be better for that. And if it's a very specific niche, okay, so maybe you're wanting to go into the niche of like martial arts, or you're wanting to go into the niche of, knitting or something very specific like that, then you can do independent affiliate programs. And so you can find these on Google. So if you go to Google, I just typed in weight loss high ticket affiliate program, and you can see, they list all these different programs here. And some people like this will compile them into an article to make it very easy for you to find. Okay, so you would just, again, type in your niche. Let's say it's martial arts or karate, if you want to be very specific. So, I can do like karate high ticket affiliate program. And you can see right here, you can find all these different programs, and then you just apply to become an affiliate of that program. Okay, now, once you do that, okay, once you have a niche and you have a product, now what you want to do is you want to pick one social media platform to focus on. Okay, just one platform. And I know this may be shocking to most people. A lot of people think that if they spread themselves out and they promote on all these different websites, they're going to get more traffic, more visitors to their link. And this isn't the case 99% of the time, especially if you're brand new. You don't have enough time to get good at everything, okay? So what you wanna do is you wanna ask yourself some of these questions. I always recommend my customers, my clients to ask themselves these specific questions. So number one is, which social media platform do you naturally use and enjoy the most, right? Everyone typically has one that they enjoy. Whether that's, TikTok, Facebook, etc. Like, which one are you naturally on the most? I was always watching YouTube videos. Personally, I loved watching YouTube videos, funny videos, things like that, podcasts. And so I just decided to post YouTube videos. So again, choose the one. Now, they all work, okay? A lot of people think like, oh, what's the best one, and things like that. And really, they all work. Like, you can build an audience. You can start generating leads and sales from all of them, okay? So again, you want to pick the one that you most enjoy, because we need to be consistent, okay? There is showing up daily or weekly, okay? But the work is very minimal, okay? It's only 1 or 2 hours a day, and it's very easy once you learn what I'm sharing with you. And again, they all work. So you want to pick the one that you can naturally stay consistent with. And, okay, right here, right? Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, these are some options. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. Pick the one that you enjoy the most. Now, step number 4 is once you have the site that you're gonna market on, okay, so let's say it's TikTok, let's say it's, Pinterest. Now we want to first off set this up. Now, number 1 is we wanna add an attractive profile photo. Okay, so for example, if you're promoting something, now this can work faceless or if you're gonna show your face. If you're gonna show your face, you wanna create a personal brand, you wanna have this attractive profile photo be of you. Okay, so this could be of you smiling. If it's faceless, then you want to create something like a logo or something like that that's attractive so you can actually brand the business that you're in, okay? You wanna make it look professional. So for example, if I go to Facebook here, this is my personal brand on Facebook, okay? So even on my cover photo, it's branding myself. I have my name here, I have my photos, okay? And you can see right here, my profile photo, it's very professional. I'm smiling, I look approachable. So when people either want to, message me or they wanna see my posts, they're gonna feel a very good vibe from my posts, and they're gonna be more likely to buy from me. You also wanna create a username that is related to the niche you're in. Now, not all the sites are gonna need usernames. Like on Facebook, it's your name or your brand. But on sites like Instagram, TikTok, things like that, you're gonna wanna create a username, again, that's related. So if you are showing your face, you can even have your name in the username. Okay, so if your name is Tom and you're teaching how to make money, you can do make money with Tom. Okay, that's the username. If you're teaching, or you're sharing, content, or your marketing is about losing weight and your name's Janice, you could do lose weight with Janice. Okay, so you just want to make the username relevant to the niche so people know when they go to that page, they're like, okay, this is going to be in this specific niche. I know what it is, and they're going to be more likely to follow you because they know what you're about. And then you're gonna set up your bio with the link to the affiliate offer. Okay, so most sites have a bio. Okay, so you can see right here, this is the bio with Facebook. And you can see that I've put my link right here. So it's always accessible. So if people wanna go to my link, it's very easy to find, okay? Now you wanna do the same thing, like I have a TikTok here. Okay, and you can see my link right here. Okay, now with TikTok and some of these, you need a certain amount of followers to have your link. So you want to put your link in there as soon as you can, but you really want to do that, okay? Now, once you've set that up, okay, once you've set up your bio and you have your link and things like that, and by the way, I say it should be a capture page link. So a lot of people, they go wrong with affiliate marketing. This link, they send right to the sales page, right to the page to buy. This is not what you want to do. Most people need more time. We want to actually capture their email, okay? So if I share with you here real quick, okay, if I go up, this right here, this is a capture page. Okay, so you want to send people to a page that captures their email, adds them to an email list where we can follow up with them, and then also redirects them to the next page and then ultimately the sales page so we can make commissions over time, okay? Now, if you don't know how to create a capture page or get a funnel, I do have other videos where I walk you through that exact thing, so be sure you stay subscribed. But, okay, the last step is right here. Now that we have a social media platform, now that we have a niche and a program or product we're promoting, now we want to start posting daily content, okay? Now, content is king nowadays. People are constantly consuming photos, text, and videos. Now, the type of content you want to post depends on what social media platform you're on. If you're on TikTok, obviously that's more videos. If you're on Facebook, that could be photos, that could be just a text post, okay, like this. Or, you know, that could be videos, okay? So I don't know if I have any videos recently, but you could even post like reels, okay? So pick the type of content that's mostly used on that platform. Now, I recommend if you don't know how to create content, use the problem solution formula. What this is you want to identify what are the problems, what are the pain points that your product or offer is solving for people, okay? Maybe it's how to lose weight. Maybe it's, you know, sick and tired of being embarrassed at the beach, you know, being shirtless because you're a little bit overweight. So those are the problems. And then the solution could be the formula or the weight loss pill, you know, or the weight loss training program that you're promoting in that example. So in this content, you know, with your videos, let's say you're doing TikTok, what I do over and over is like the problem solution. So I'll start the video saying a problem, you know, are you sick and tired of, you know, having bills that you can't pay? You know, are you sick and tired of bill collectors constantly hassling you? That's the problem. And then I say, you know, look, I discovered a way to make money online on autopilot. That's the solution. And then inside of your content, you also want to include a call to action, which is a piece of text, okay? Or if you're in a video, you want to say it, to comment for info or to go to the link in your bio. So you want to tell people, you know, inside your video, for example, right? Once you do the problem, now you give them the solution, which is your offer. You want to give them a call to action. Hey, comment below yes if you want to learn more, right? Or you could say, hey, go to the link in my bio if you want to get the solution to your problem, right? So that's the content you want to do, and you want to ideally do this daily, okay? Now, some platforms like YouTube, you don't really need to post daily videos, but things like TikTok, things like Facebook, it's best if you post daily because you're really going to build that momentum. This is the formula, my friend. It's a 5-step easy formula. I've used this over and over. I do it on TikTok, I do it on Facebook. Now, because I have more experience, I do promote on multiple platforms, but in the beginning, choose one and master it. If you like this video, be sure you smash the like button to let me know. Also be sure to subscribe. And again, click the link directly below to access my blueprint to get done for you funnels, a high ticket affiliate program that I'm personally promoting, and much, much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.